What's going on, everyone? I just wanted to kind of give you a idea of what I've been trying to do. So this is my first time making an actual box. I had made a spline jig, so you'll see some splines. You'll see some longer splines in the middle. I wonder what that's for. But as you can see, this is my take on just doing a box. Oh, what is that? That is a little lid. Oh, there's another lid. What's in there? So you can have like a little drop box right there. So the middle splines, you cut all the way through so you have a little shelf. This is just me trying to learn some techniques on how to do stuff. So I did some splines. I made some miter joints. My first time making miter joints. Not too bad, if I don't say so myself. I like the plywood for making a excuse me, a miter joint, because as you can see, you can kind of line up the plies, right? So you can kind of see on how they're going to go together. But I definitely did use an angle finder on my table saw to make sure I got the 45. And this is how I made my first box. I did put a little coat of polyurethane on there, so I don't know, I'm kind of impressed with myself making this box. And I did the rabbit, or the, I don't know, I guess the rabbit's on the edge of the thing with the table saw. I did not use a flat blade, so that's why you see all the lines. I did sand it just a little bit, so whenever I make a real box, I will be making it with a flat blade, so it won't have that. And I know that it looks a little off, but it is, and I don't mind, because this was just learning technique. So thank you for channeling in. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe. Oh, some rough sanding, huh? But the splines I do like. Oops. Let's go do a little 360. How it looks. Not too bad. Oh, and then the bottom is just a flush piece of plywood that I put on the bottom and glued it in. That was it. So, sanded it down a little bit. But I would definitely want to make a jewelry box soon, and I'm liking how I did the shelf thing. So that's kind of something that I'm looking forward to doing. I understand the golden rule. This does not apply to this box. The 1.618. I tried to do that, but I got to learn on how to cut the sides better. So, but thanks again for tuning in. I hope you like it. And if you want to, tell me if you have any better techniques or anything that you can do, or that you do, to make it better. Take care, you stallions. See you, bye.